Hey, Texan seniors, just want to give you a quick update that is actually just for you. We have had several of you ask about how would you go about getting your cap and gown. So for those of you who have been really interested in that, we have set up a way for you to be able to come up and get your cap and gown. We're going to get you the details about that in an email. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to look for an email from the school, and then also Miss Carty will put some information out on your senior remind account as well, letting you know time, place, and how we're going to go about it. Mr. McCowan is working out the details for us right now. We're excited. Jostens is excited to be able to get you your cap and gown, let you be able to pick those up. But we are going to have to be really, really careful to follow all of the CDC guidelines and the things that our county has put in place, because as you know, our county has put in place a stay-at-home order, except for things that are essential. Education is still considered essential at this point, and it's pretty essential that you guys get your cap and gowns. But what we are not able to have you do is we're not able to have you gather. That's been a big specific thing, that we're not to have any gatherings. So the way we will organize it is we'll organize it in such a way that you're able to drive up to the building, pick up what is yours to pick up in terms of the cap and gown, graduation regalia, and then you'll have to drive away. It won't be like a gathering kind of thing. But really and truly, when you did that in the past, or when past classes have done that, what they've simply done is they've come and picked it up from Ms. Ponce. It's not been a big fanfare or anything like that. So we're going to set that up for you here in the near future. We just need to make sure that you understand that we'll have you probably sign up for some specific time slots. You will drive through in your cars, not get out of the cars. You'll pick up the regalia, and then you'll be able to take it home, and whoever's at home with you, family, brothers, sisters, whoever it is, if you want to look at yourself in the mirror with your graduation regalia on, you'll have the opportunity to do that and prepare for when we do get to graduate. Currently, graduation is still on schedule. Hadn't been canceled yet, but if for some reason it needs to be delayed or anything like that, at least you'll have that in your hand and know, hey, I'm getting ready to graduate and I've got my regalia. So we're looking forward to get that information out to you. This is just kind of a heads up that is coming your way, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.